If you try to look back 5 years or 10 years ago, napakalayo na pala ng narating mo. Marami ka na palang mga pinagdaanan sa buhay that made you who you are today. Kaya kung may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, daanan mo lang. Sure ako malalagpasan mo yan. Just keep on doing sa kung ano ang mga plano mo sa buhay. If sa tingin mo wala pa ring progress, maybe because God wants you to move. Do something na dapat kang mag-improve. Or kaya siguro hindi ka nag-grow dahil may kulang pa sa'yo na kailangan mo pang ayusin o pagdaanan para when the right time comes, ready ka na and the Lord will make it happen. And that's why you matter. Everything matters. Best results don't happen very quick. It takes some times, it takes some efforts. Kaya huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Because what really matters is you and how you will deal every circumstances you face in order to get that success.